Hello, Miss Beth here with your instructions for today, and you're gonna find them on your Canvas page. Today is our day 6. First thing you're gonna do is you're going to report your attendance right here. At this moment, you need to pause your video, and then you're going to do your attendance. Today we're gonna talk about Hispanic names, and one of the stereotypes for Hispanic is that they have very, very long names. I don't know why they say that. Maybe because we do. Let me show you what my name looks like. This is my name. This is my original name. So you think it's a little long? Maybe. And yes, now I had to drop this, and I kept this as my middle name, and then I'm Bass because I got married. All right, so back to the assignment. We are going to read this explanation. It says, why do Hispanics have 2 last names? Before we answer that question, let's start by learning a new word in Spanish, apellido. I want you to repeat that word when you see this video, apellido. Apellido means last name, but not literally. So instead, we will refer to it as surname, even when this word is not used in English very often. Now let's take it from there. Hispanics have 2 surnames or apellidos. But where do they come from? Well, when a child is born, he or she receives a first name, primer nombre, and sometimes even a second name, segundo nombre. The segundo nombre will be what we call middle name, okay? And then it's time for the apellidos. For the first apellido, the child will have the father's first surname. And for the second apellido, it will be the mother's first surname. So the final product will be a first name, a second name, father's first surname, mother's first surname. Confused already? Yeah, it can be a little confusing. Let me try to help you understand by showing you this example about my own family. So I have my dad's full name right here, Blas Castiblanco Gomez. My mom's full name is Delia Trujillo Muñoz. Neither one had middle names, segundo nombre. Putting their full name under the right column, this column that we created right here, and putting the name, it looks like this. And the dotted line means blank, it's blank. So it doesn't have because they don't have a second name. So there's the first name, the first surname, and the second surname. And then his mom's first name, no middle name or second name, no first surname here, and second surname here. But this means that it was my dad's dad, my dad's mom. And this means that it was my mom's dad and my mom's mom. That is how I got my full name like this, you see? So I got a first name, a middle name or second name we call a second name, and then father's first surname, there it is, right there, and then mother's first surname, right there. And that's how I got my name. Remember I showed it to you in this page? Okay. So if we think that we already get this, you are going to, right now, you're going to try this practice about my siblings. I have a sister and a brother. They are married and have children. Your mission is to figure out what the children's full name is going to look like using the information given. Fill the blanks with the missing information. Now, remember that this dotted line means that it's empty, that they don't have that. But this is the blanks that you're going to fill in. So I want you to, I'm going to provide a box for you to answer this, and then you're going to send the URL for something else that you had to do. So I need you to give me this answer. That's number 1. You're going to complete this for number 1, and this is number 2. Okay, so that's a practice that you need to do. So that would be the first thing that you do. And for that, I need to make, let me just edit this before I forget. And I'm going to provide you a text box, so a text entry, excuse me. All right. Okay, so that's it. We'll continue with our assignment for today. So do you know what your name would be like if you were from a Spanish-speaking country? Look at this, create a name Hispanic style graphic organizer. So we're going to open this organizer. And this is how it looks like. You are going to make a copy of this. You say, first make a copy of this document and rename it with your own name and class. So you're going to go right here to File, make a copy. You're going to name it with your name and class. So I'm going to put here my name, and then I'm going to put that T1. That's it, because I don't have A day and B day, so no problem. So Bas T1, that's mine. You put yours, and then you click OK, and it's going to make a copy for you. This copy comes with your name. So now you know that you don't need this anymore, because you already made your own copy. You made your copy so you can fill in the blanks. Otherwise, you cannot fill in the blanks. All right, now you had your own copy. There is instructions here, and I also put instructions here. So first, you make your copy. You're going to choose one Spanish first name, one Spanish second name, and 2 Spanish surnames, apellidos for yourself. So first, figure out how your name would look like if you were from Hispanic culture. Your first name, middle name, father's surname, and finally mother's maiden name. Write in the first row in your graphic organizer. So you have your graphic organizer right here. Okay. Your name Hispanic style is your first name. If you have a middle name, you put the middle name. Your father's surname, that is actually the one that you use regularly. And here will be your mother's maiden name. That was before she got married. So you put that one here. So I fill it here. And that's how your name will look like if you were Hispanic. Now, what else we're gonna do? You are going, that was the first row, okay? For the second row, you're gonna do the following with the links that you have here. So in the first link, the link A, you're going to have first and middle names in Spanish. And in the part B, you have surnames. Let's go back to this. It says here that you need your initials. Right here. So you're gonna do it with your initials. So I'm going to put my initials here so I remember what kind of name I need to look for and what kind of surname I need to look for. So now I have my initials. So I'm going to go to this second list, to this list to find my names, first and middle names. So I'm going to click right here, and it opens a list of names. These are girls, and these are boys. Since I am girl, I am going to look for a name with the letter E for girls. So I look on this side and I see Elena. So I'm going to pick that one. So I pick Elena. Elena. Okay. Now I need to find me a name with the L. I go back there and I find Leila. So I'm going to put Leila. Leila. So I'm done with the names because I have a first name and a second name. Now I have to find my surnames. So to find my surnames, I go right here. It says list of common surnames in Spanish. So I'm going to open that list and I'm going to find me a surname with the C and a surname with the T. So go here. With the C, I'm going to pick Cárdenas. I want Cárdenas. And then with the T, I'm going to find me one with the T. This is all the lists, both lists are in alphabetical order, so you can find it. So I'm going to put Trejo. Oh, wrong one again. Trejo. Okay. So I completed. Okay. Now it's time to submit. So Ms. Bass said that I had to submit. So there are two parts here to submit. I'm going to do the student view so you can see it like it is in your computer. The student view right here. So I click right here and it says submit assignment. Now it's giving me this box when I'm going to put the answer number 1 for the names. Remember, you have to find out what goes here and what goes here. And then you have to put number 2, and then you're going to put what goes here and what goes there. So that's the box, what the box is for. But you also have to submit this URL. You copy right here and you paste it right here. Okay, so you click on text entry for this and you click on website URL for this. And then you click submit assignment and I will receive it. Very important. This has to change. You click there right there and share, and then you click where it says change link to Union County Public Schools, and you click right there and it says permission updated. Anyone in this group with a link can view, and then you click done and it's gonna look different. Okay, so you do that, you copy the URL, you submit it right here. All right, so let's go back to the assignment. That's it. Oh, I'm going to give you an extra bonus. I am going to, you see these singers right here? These singers are from Colombia. So I'm going to let you see the 2 videos of these 2 singers. Okay, so I'm going to put that on your plan so you can watch those videos when you finish. That's all for now. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be connected. Have a good day.